So guys, for a tutorial like this, you can use a lighter if you have a lighter, but if you don't have a lighter, no problem, you can also use a matches. So this is what I'll be using. I'll be lighting this right away. Just watch and see what I'll be doing. So guys, you do something like this and you start doing like this. Just like this. Now that we are done, the next thing to do is to go to Capcut and do the final editing. I'll show you how I was able to take the fire from these matches to my hand here. Ready? Let's go and do the editing. So guys, the very first thing we are going to do is this. We are going to download the candle flame black background. You click on your Google and then type free pick, and then you click on it. Then click on the first one here. This website is a very good one. Most of their images are free, so that is it. So I'm going to search for candle flame, comma black background. Then I'll click on search. Let us see what we are going to have. Let us see. As you can see, can you see this? So just select the one that will best suit you, the one you know will be very okay for you. Just select. I'll show you the one I use. So this is the one I use. So you can go ahead and download it by clicking on it, and you download. Click on download. You download to your phone. Then click on free download. So guys, that is that for that. So after you are done with this, so guys, immediately you are done downloading the image, then click on your Capcut app, then click on new project, import the video where you light the matches or the lighter and you're using your hand to demonstrate. So that's the video we are going to import. I'll click on it and I'll click on add. So after importing this particular video, you have to move this, or you can just move it with your hand, or you can decide to play it to that particular place where your hand was close to the matches. Guys, you see that? So just leave it like this. Then click on overlay, click on add overlay, and then click on the image, that is the image of the candle flame. Click on it and then click on add. So we are going to extend this image to the end of the video. Do this first before any other thing. Extend. So guys, this is it. So the next thing we are going to do now is we are going to remove the background of this. That is this black background. We're going to remove it, and we are not going to use remove background this time around. So guys, all you need to do is this. Click on the overlaid image, that is the candle flame, and then click on splice. Guys, did you see that? But if you have not updated your Capcut app, you will see blend. If you have updated your Capcut app, you will see splice. So I advise you to update it. Just go to Play Store, type Capcut, and you will see update. Click on it and then you are good to go. But if you have not done that, you can still go ahead and use it. Just click on blend. It's the same thing. So you click on. So the next I'm going to do now is I'll click on this splice, and then I'll click on filter, the second one here. Click on it. Guys, you see the background will just remove. Now the next thing I'm going to do now is, remember that you can always make it the candle flame bigger or smaller. It depends on your choice. So I will be working with this. I'm okay with this. So bring it to this spot where your hand is close, your finger is close to the matches here. So just leave it here. Guys, did you see that? Did you see that? So this particular spot here at the beginning here, this particular spot, we are going to add keyframe, and then just move it a bit like this, and move the candle flame close to that your finger here. Move it, then move it again, Once your finger move, also move the candle flame. Let's do that together. So I will move the candle flame to that particular spot my finger is, and it will automatically add a keyframe. Do you see that? So you move the video again, move it, and then move the candle flame, then move the video again, and then move the candle flame, just like this. Move the video again, and then move the candle flame. So anywhere your hand is, your finger is, just put the candle flame there. Then move the video again, then move the candle flame, then move the video again, then move the candle flame, then move the video again. Don't move it too much, just a little. Then move the candle flame, then move the video again, then move the candle flame. That's why I said when you are doing this, don't move your finger too much, your hand, just do it slowly. Then move the video again, then move the candle flame, then move the video again, then move the candle flame, move it to your finger, then move the video again, then move the candle flame, move the video again, move the candle flame. So this is how you just do it till you are done with the whole video. Move the video again, then move the candle flame, then move the video again, move the candle flame. So guys, this is it. This is how you just do it till you are done. This is how it is done. Let us review it and see what we have. This is how it is done. You just do it in the end of the video. Let us review and see. Guys, did you see that? So this is how it is done. It is very easy. So guys, that is all for this tutorial. I hope you have been able to learn something from this video. If you did, why don't you support me by subscribing, support me by sharing this video, support me by dropping a comment, and also like this video. So guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.